So today is December 26th. We're still in Bismarck, North Dakota, and it is super snowy. Yeah, I'm recording. So this is pretty much what I got to drive through. So we're going to take my younger brother's truck, and it's a 2002 Chevy Silverado. Just pull the handle. Yeah, there is. I mean, there is no handle. No, you're getting in the front. Here, I'm in the front seat. Just sit up front. Let's see. I'm not sure if they extended cab. It's got those clamshell doors in the back, which are kind of hard to open.
Why would I have to push the car when you can drive it? I know you don't mean that, but why do you have to push the car?
Because it's in the snow, it gets kind of stuck sometimes. So. See?
Wow.
Yeah. So I think we're in four-wheel drive. Okay. Alright. So this is the HD version, which has got the 6-liter V8 under the hood. So this is actually a pretty cool truck. My daughter Emily riding shotgun with me. Say hi. Go away. Alright. Got a lot of snow back there, so.
My hair's still wet.
Yeah, oopsie. Great. I gotta pull ahead. There's a guy coming down the street, so hold on.
I thought you got stuck.
Oh no, we're not gonna get stuck. Try this again.
This car is horrible. And if we do get stuck, we'll just destroy the car. Sorry.
Why do you say this car's horrible?
I don't like it.
Why don't you like it?
Ugly car.
It's a truck.
Yeah, trucks are ugly.
As you can see, it's really rutted here.
Where are you gonna put that on YouTube or what?
Probably both. So, this is just. Woo. I should get his ice scraper up. I'm not sure where it is. Okay. Let's see here. This is Divide Avenue. They've got the major thoroughfares pretty well plowed.
I call sitting up front. The little people who win the lawn sit in the back.
Well, you can sit up front. Don't worry about it. There we go.
Yay!
So we got. Yeah. Oh, there's Uncle Mike.
That's how they get destroyed. They turn like round.
Oh, you don't want to do those what? So you're supposed to like steal those things or something?
Yeah, you're supposed to spray them.
They really got boots. What are those called? Uggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, these are fake. They're called bugs.
Bugs? Fake
bugs.
Uggs. Okay. Because aren't those like Uggs like super expensive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bugs. But these are bugs. And there's a long version, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay. Alrighty, here we go. Woo. So this is after the big blizzard that pretty much shut down the state of North Dakota.
Whee! You slipped, Dad. That was fun.
Yeah, this road's kind of bouncy. Oh, here we go. Now we're on 4th Street. Yeah. Alright, well, I think if you've seen one snowy street, you've seen them all, so I'm going to stop recording now. So, you have anything to say, Emily, about this?
No, go away.
Okay, great. Alright, talk to everybody later.